Today, I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to use the new Family Cookbook Project Smart Recipe Converter AI tool to effortlessly add recipes into your family cookbook. You can upload photos, PDFs, and Word documents of both handwritten and typed recipes. The first step is to take photographs or scans of all the recipes you'd like to enter into your cookbook. These can be recipe cards, pages from cookbooks, magazine clippings, or even screenshots from websites. If your recipe card has two sides, you will need to take a photo of each side and then merge them into a single image to upload. If your photo is of a cookbook page or magazine clipping, try to crop out any additional text that's not part of the recipe. This will make it easier to import and lead to less errors. Once you have your recipe photos assembled, it is easy to import those recipes into your cookbook using your Family Cookbook Project account, using your computer or the Family Cookbook Project mobile app. Use the app. On your computer, hover over the Add Recipe option in the black menu bar and choose the third option of Upload Recipes AI Assist. Click on the green button and select your recipe files in the dialog box by clicking on the first and holding the Shift button until you've reached all your recipes. Then click the Open button. Upload up to 50 recipes at a time. Then, they need to be reviewed, assigned to a category, and approved. Click on the View Your Newest Recipes Here link, and you will see the recipes that have just been imported. Click on the Edit link for any recipe to review the recipe and assign it to the appropriate recipe category. If you are the editor, scroll to the bottom and check the Mark as Reviewed Approved for Printing checkbox. Be sure to save your work before moving on to the next recipe. By no longer typing your treasured recipes, we have eliminated the most time-consuming aspect of creating a cookbook for you. We hope the new Smart Recipe Converter AI tool will make adding recipes to your family cookbook a breeze.